show, I brought some dog back. I ain't really seen a dead body, you ever saw that? It ain't about no cash, then what the fuck, your nigga fall back. Reach for my chain, you get your skull cracked. Go and get some bands, what I'ma do tonight. My dad always told me chase the check, and then you was right.
We boxed in already. I was gonna say, see if I can hop that curve.
Right, just some white girl, I'm about to pack this up. Nigga caught her body and turned the state.
Stop here, we driving this bitch like it's a TRX.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another vlog. I know it's been a minute, but damn, weather been shitty. I've been really busy. As you can see, we starting to vlog inside my garage today. I finally pull out the Hellcat, man. Been a while since I drove this. Look, as you can see, it's just been sitting in the garage. Things all over and everything. But yeah, we about to bring the Hellcat out to play today. Give y'all a little cold start. Been sitting for like 2 weeks. That's how long I ain't making a video in.
A few moments later.
God, you don't need no fucking help. Just be panicking, man. That joint was way easier than the Beamer.
Huh?
It was easier than the Beamer.
Yeah, this joint got power. That joint turbo, so that joint's like not consistent. Man, you know, yeah, I told you. I was fucking with y'all when I said I ain't really know how to slide. It's just that car, so you know. That car was more harder than these joints. Yeah, just smoked that block up. You know, made it hot. We gotta get out of here. Go to another parking lot, spin a little bit, get out of there, do it again. You know, keep doing it real quick. You know what I'm saying? Since I'm doing this for y'all, like, comment, and subscribe, man. That shit really helped me get up there. If I get a ticket today, get my license taken, it's because of y'all.
3 weeks later.
So y'all, back with another vlog. As you see, we got the Hellcat out right now. First stop of the day for the Hellcat. Driving the Hellcat is the gas station, man. Every day. $60 every day. It's just a normal living of a Hellcat, man. I don't really know what to do today. I'm probably just gonna go with the flow and just do some bullshit. I don't know, probably slide or something. Yeah, let's go see what we got to do today. Matter of fact, let me give y'all some quick little pulls, man. Shit, been feeling good ever since I did the full service. And yeah, like, maybe I could tell, like, I'm a little fucked up today, man. These allergies been fucking me up. What's this dude doing? Allergies been fucking me up, so I got like a stuffed nose, if y'all can tell by my voice. Yeah, you got some quick little pulls. I forgot, I ain't really get much on camera yesterday, but yesterday I just did some front brakes and rotors, you know, with the OEM way. Shit was like almost $3 grand. But yeah, just got that done, so we don't got that death shake no more every time we at high speed trying to click the brakes. Oh, that went smooth. Should I go around this pole? I'll go around the cart first.
You built like that?
Huh? Yeah.
You want me to move the cart? The cart a little closer.
Just push it on.
I'm sick, this joint fly back.
felt that joint like did it lock up fully?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't spinning though. One more time for yeah.
See something.
She got a little better.
Smoky.
Look,
Oh, that's smoke.
still smoking from in the car. Definitely got better from the first video.
Yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold you. You had me scared going to that pole.
I just gotta start trying to practice on that. Put something in the middle and try to go around that jump. You know what, yo? Let's go buy something to make this video a little crazier.
What you thinking?
I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. Buy a 360 camera. Put that joint on there real quick.
Yeah, no, that would be crazy. Y'all just seen it live. That man just made up his mind to go buy a 360
Yeah.
camera. Commitment, man. Y'all gotta run the likes up. How you doing?
I'll call somebody over to come help you guys out.
Y'all wonder why I'm so dark, man. I just came back from DR. Bro, that sun over there, bro, that shit is different.
Oh, they got the 4 now. That's basically the V4, like the newest one.
Next stop, Walmart. Let's see if we get like a selfie stick just to hold it up, like just to do a little video. We're not about to buy this shit and go to waste for now because that mount not gonna come until like what, 2 days, Saturday, right? Yeah, let's try to see if we can find something here. Should we get that long ass one or the stick?
Yeah, the stick, I think. Because the stick you can hold.
I think that's
This one, I mean, you see that one more got like a handle. This one, you probably got to plant it like in the ground or something.
Don't we need it higher? You know what I'm talking
Yeah, but I think this will go high enough because I think it goes up to 39 inches right there.
about?
All over these two?
Yeah, let me see.
One's a monopod, that's more for just stability. And then your tripod is more for, what's it called? Stationary picture.
No, it'll be these two. So we about to put it on a 360 camera just to hold that down out the window.
Oh yeah, that's your best bet then. Something more like this. The only issue with that is that will swing a bit. That's not really for any heavy use.
Yeah, just grab it, but let's see what it do. That's your boy. Yes, sir.
We finally got it down. Been about an hour. Took us about an hour.
Like 3 hours.
Finally got us down packed to get where we can record 360. Let them know what we doing.
We're about to go to Mexico to my man's Pablo parking lot. He letting me slide there all the time, so that's where we're about to go right now. Like I said, man, don't mind my allergies. This shit kicking my ass right now. Man, this nigga just hit me.
It's always the SXT.
It's SRT.
Trump. He probably really in a rush and we bullying him. cameras. See y'all on this one. Had to get out of there.
Had to get out of there. Quick little spin. I'm telling y'all gonna see this on YouTube. Y'all gonna see it here. This one was tough.
I'm about to upload to Gram right now.
Yeah, we were just messing around right there. Let me know if y'all like that. If y'all like to see more content like that, I'll probably pop out to like some takeover shows. I don't know if y'all against that or with that. Let me know in the comments, man. Like, give me ideas of what to do on the next vlog. Like, we'll go from there. Comment down below. Yeah, man. I'm thinking about throwing my B-locks back on, doing full bolt on. Well, not full bolt on, but just do some like bolt ons. Catless mids, some injectors, and a tune. Probably throw like a burble tune, like how I had on my Trackhawk. I don't know what y'all think about that. Should I do a tune and do some bolt-ons, or just leave it stock and reliable? I mean, it's still gonna be reliable, but it just more shit tends to break when you do, you know, like bolt-ons and shit. Make it a little faster. But honestly, the way it's been driving now is like perfect. They said I don't need much power. I'm not trying to race anybody. I'm not. That's my house right there. That's where I live. See the gate right there? I left it down a little bit because that's where I park my car. So it's easy when I get out. Just pull it real quick and park my car back in there. Then I got drop top windows and shit. So that's my balcony right there. And whenever I want sun, I just lift up the blinds. Yeah, just came here real quick. Just check out the shop. But I'm gonna give y'all one more slide. I only been showing y'all me sliding to my left. But this time I'm gonna slide to my right. Like I said, I'm still new to this. This probably like my no more than 5th time sliding. So it's like I'm getting better and better over the days, and I'm still trying to learn. I'm trying to do a figure 8 right now, but you know, still gotta learn. Everything takes time. But yeah, we're gonna go to the second location. We're gonna go to the next location and show you if I can slide to the right.
Launch. Let me see the
launch.
Let me see a little launch.
Alright, let me put on launch control. Never even used it before. Oh, bad launch control. Right here. Yeah.
Spinning.
to fucking take the trash. I'm like, why is it sliding like that? I thought I broke something.
Traction control.
I'm like, why the fuck was it sliding like that? Fell. Someone can look at this. Look, there's dares right there. You see the dares?
Take 2. Oh yeah, I see the dares right there.
Alright, before we get the fuck out of here. I think that was a cop right there.
Yeah. I'm about to go on and check. You can't look across from? Yeah, that's a cop. That's a cop. You only can make a left. We're about to meet up with him right now. Oh, there you go right there. He's sitting right there. He's sitting right there. Oh. Did he move? I think you gotta drive past him to leave, bro.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we do. We boxed out. That's why he's sitting there.
Yeah.
Waiting. We boxed in already. I was gonna see if I could hop that curve. I knew that was a cop when I seen it.
It's a good thing you ain't lowered. Oh, you bumper. Oh. Stuck? Stuck where? Stuck where? Stuck where? We driving this bitch like it's a TRX.
Hey, yo. We just broke. Let's get the fuck out of here. He said, I'm gonna sit right here. Cause yo, that joint was a trap too,
Yeah,
bro.
it was no way we was getting out that door.
It was a trap, but he's sick cause I'm out. Am I really out?
Nah, don't say that.
Yeah, right. I'm going up this way. Yo! Let me get the fuck out of here, bro. Now I gotta put this joint up and not drive for like a day or two. Nigga, I seen you. You was doing a daughter. No, you didn't. Hey, yo.
That's the other Charger, the one that got 4x4, not this one.
No, bro. How have you ain't seen me leave? Yo, straight jumped the curve on them, bro. That shit was crazy.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna lie.
You thought it was over?
I thought it was over. I thought he was gonna take my license, bro.
Yeah.
Then we go around.
He thought he got us.
Yeah. He like, yo, that shit was super funny. That was the only way out. Go out that way, but I had to jump the curve. I feel like I hit my diffuser. I feel like
I think so.
Shit broke too. I ain't gonna lie, I felt like that was gonna happen today. So yeah, man, we don't entertain this stuff. Running from cops is not cool. But it's either he catch me, take my license, or keep my license and keep giving y'all content. So I had to do that. So yeah, like I said, this one is for y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.